I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now choose Trigger. Fluent Support. Now copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now go to the Fluent Support dashboard. Navigate to the workflows. Add new workflow. Give here a meaningful workflow name. Choose workflow type. Continue. Choose workflow trigger. Choose an action trigger outgoing webhook. Now paste the webhook URL and give the action title. Save it. Now publish the workflow. Navigate to the ticket. Create a ticket to fetch the data. Here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Set action. Search and select Action SuiteDash. Give here your public ID and secret key. So please visit SuiteDash public ID and secret key. Copy the public ID and paste it here. Add secret key. Give here a meaningful name. Copy the secret key, save it, and paste it here. Authorized it. Authorization is successfully done. Next, choose an action. Choose a role. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features and actions you can use by checking the box. Also, you can add conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next, finish and save it. Go to Fluent Support and create a ticket. Ticket created successfully. Now go to the SuiteDash site and go to Contacts. You can see the data came successfully in the SuiteDash site. Thanks for watching.